In this video, I'll explain exactly and clearly what the terms FAANG and FANG mean. But before we start, let me say this. I stayed up all night doing research, writing content, and editing to bring you this video. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video as a small thank you for the effort. Let's get into it. The term FAANG was first introduced in 2013 by the famous investor Jim Cramer. At the time, it referred to the most powerful and dominant tech companies, and the name came from the first letters of Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. Back then, these companies represented a major portion of the US tech sector and made up a large part of the S&P 500 index. They were considered the engine of market growth. However, as time went on and other companies also began to rise, this index had to be updated. Since around 2017, this group has become known as FANG+, where the plus refers to additional companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, Tesla, Broadcom, Snowflake, AMD, Alibaba, and Baidu, which have been added or removed over time. In the newest and most recent version, the N no longer stands for Netflix, it now stands for Nvidia. That's because between 2023 and 2025, Nvidia has effectively replaced Netflix due to its dominant role in AI, chip manufacturing, and the tech sector overall. Currently, the companies in FANG+ make up around 25 to 30% of the total market cap of the S&P 500, and this group has recently been updated again under a more official name, the NYSE FANG Index, which was created by the Intercontinental Exchange. Also, in 2023, FANG+ companies were responsible for more than 90% of the Nasdaq's overall gains. Yes, the Nasdaq rose more than 35% that year, and over 90% of that increase came from just the FANG+ companies. This clearly shows just how dominant these companies are in the market. Now let me ask you, what do you think a negative PE ratio means? Do you see it as a risk or as an opportunity? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to learn the real answer, make sure to click and watch the video you see on screen.